Right. Welcome to Oxygen Global. In this session, we are going to look at Delon sharing the problem he's facing with the Heliocoxy Leap implementation on property implementation. Right, Delon, go ahead.
Yes, yesterday I created an account, I registered an
I
account.
want you to do it now because I fixed the bugs today. Do you see today? You have three controls. Yesterday there were five. There were six with an image. So can you do that now so that all of us can see?
Okay, let me just read. Okay.
Read what it says there.
It says this email has been registered, login, or use a different one, which is true.
What
I
you want?
did register this email.
You want to use a different one? Try a different one, or you want to log in?
Let me try a different one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, successfully.
It's the way there. Xavier, did you get something like this? Do you see that green registration successful login? Xavier, did you get that?
Yes, sir, I got the same thing, registration successful. That I got it, sir.
Yes. Since now you are what? Registered. Now let's go to login.
Yeah, I made the login.
Here, delete. Use the one that you created. Xavier, on your side, you can also try now your email
Okay, sir.
password.
Okay, I'm logged in.
You are logged in. Right.
Yes.
Xavier, you are using a phone, so I can't say share. Because on a phone there, that Chrome, you are not going to have the NAMI wallet. You need to
Actually, I used a yes, sir. Actually, I used a browser, Mrs. Browser, that where I installed the Nami Wallet extension, and when I loaded the app, it's connected automatically to my Nami Wallet, and I even tried buying some shares, and I think the third step was not really working. So the only issue I was having is just in trying to log in again. It was just saying email app, but the wallet connected successfully. I used the browser, Mrs. Browser, for mobile
good.
phone. Actually, it can.
All right,
Yes,
good.
sir.
People, let's write down these steps step by step because those are the steps that you will need in your documentation. Right now, it's very easy and very quick. Do you agree? I removed all those other two controls. You don't need that. I removed the phone. Don't need that because this is a demo application. So the number one registration is all right. Signing in, the logging in, I'm ticking this. You have seen it here. He is logged in. After logging in, it takes you straight where you can see list of properties. But because a new account, Delon here does not have any property listed. So we are going to step number 3. Delon, click that post property.
Okay.
Okay, I've simplified this again. Please, guys, read those instructions. I realized when I was testing with Tandy, she didn't read those instructions. The instruction is very clear. It says star fields with green background are compulsory. Orange fields are optional, which means you can only fill the green boxes and submit. Let's try that. Want to quicken this part because this part is not important. What is important is selling tokens for a house and people getting shares on property that is sold correctly. All right, so let's do that quickly. Delon, post a house, then give it a, all right, it's fine. Just give it some content. Maybe we'll say 3-bedroom house, whatever, or 10-bedroom or whatever. If you go to those properties that are selling houses, you'll see how they enter this. Then skip all the oranges to save time. Go to the green. There, enter the price.
Sir,
Yes,
is this part the price? Is this an indication that it's in dollars?
yes.
Okay.
Instead of 5 images, I've only allowed 1 image. So add 1 image for your property.
Okay, the front house.
Yes. So all the other 4 are optional.
Okay, let me just get something here.
You can just add any image. You can change it later. We want to get
Oh,
to the exciting part.
just a moment.
Okay.
Uh,
So now, yeah. Yeah. Do you see the feedback?
yes,
Says what?
property listed.
Property listed. Now, go to account. Go there where it says my account. Now check now your property. This is what you should have.
Mm.
Are we all following Savior?
Yes,
Sir,
Following.
sir.
Yeah. Now
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
we have posted a property. Remember, when you are testing, you are hunting for bugs. So you can't only post one. Maybe you have 5, 10 different properties posted under maybe 2 different people who are selling houses. So we have passed number 3 now. Now let's go to number 4. I have made it easy to quickly list a property. Leave other details because the listing of property is an issue that we all know, and the app is doing it very well. What we need is the tokenization part, the Cardano smart contract part here. So we go to number 4. Number 4 is we need to mint property tokens. Okay. So already, if you come back here, you see you are already here. Now, I want you to see one thing here. It has already suggested for you that your house, which is 5,000, uh, you can sell it 5 tokens, 1 token at 1,000 ADA each. It's up to you to change. That is what I want everyone to know. You can change instead of 5, make it 50. And then the price instead of 1 being 1,000, can make it 100. What should happen there is the multiply the 2 must be equal to the price of the house. That is 5,000. Then mint, this is the part that we want to see happen. Click mint.
Okay. All right. Let me just. Okay. Okay.
Right.
I must just press okay, right?
Yes, because it gives you okay only. It is a notification.
Setup was done successfully. Next, we build and submit the transaction code.
Yes.
Okay.
Almost. Good.
But before you sign, cancel it.
How come I don't know about this one
Cancel
now?
it.
Wow. Nah,
You
my
must
head
just
just a
cancel.
jam like this.
Don't cancel.
See which
Go
I do
through
like
that
this.
one asset.
When did this one start, sir?
See, all these ones are on the.
Click that asset. Do you see you are buying those tokens?
Yes.
You are selling. So you are putting 50 tokens for sale. You are moving them from your wallet. You might be saying, but where are these 50? Close here, cancel. I want to show you. Cancel here, cancel. We'll come back to it. Now open your NAMI. Click here, OK. Three steps. Yeah, good. Open your NAMI now. Go to the middle button, that one. NFT, yeah, that one. Scroll down. Do you see? Oh yeah, we are minting. So after minting, when you sign there, when you come back here, you are going to see these 50 tokens here among the NFTs. Let's do that now. Go and mint now and sign.
Okay. Setup was done successfully. Congratulations, transaction built in success. Submission was a success.
Now we have finished 3/3. You see, it gives you a transaction hash there. You can click that transaction hash, yeah, to see the blockchain part now. From my side, your page is showing white. On your side, are you seeing anything?
It's white. It's loading.
Or is still loading? Remember, some of the delay can be caused by the type of internet you are using. But for now, we want to see it is working. So let's wait and be patient. Because we want to see the shares now on blockchain, number one. Number two, we want to see those property shares on your wallet. Okay, you can leave this one loading. Open your wallet, your NAMI wallet. under transaction. There it is. There it is. Do you see that?
Yes.
Yeah. Although this site it's late, because remember different platforms are slow. Here now you have got the 50 tokens for your property that you are selling. They are on your wallet. On this site, if you reload now, the transaction detail must show.
Okay.
Yeah, just reload this page. Right, one of the ways to troubleshoot, you can open a tab there, type internet speed so that you know your bandwidth.
Okay.
Sometimes it's good to know your bandwidth. Type internet speed. If the internet speed is fast, then it is the browser threads, because sometimes when you open many tabs on Chrome, it shows this problem. You can see your internet is fine. So your browser
It should be
opening many tabs and also being online on a streaming causes this. All right, but check now, which must have opened now. Open that tab.
okay. Let me try and close
Open
some
that
tabs.
Explorer. Open that tab to show the CX Explorer pre-prog. All right. If you want to load it quickly, which browser we are using? A Chrome. You have got Edge there. You can copy that, open it with Edge, because sometimes this is a browser thing. You can copy that URL, test it with the Edge. I see you've got Edge there. Yeah, there it comes. Then it's fine. Can you move down there? Right. Do you have metadata on the tabs, on the blue tabs, content, whatever? There's metadata. Right. So the metadata, yeah, there should be metadata there. Do you see metadata on the tabs, content following there to the?
Oh yes, yeah, metadata.
Click that metadata, because that metadata is the information about the house that you are selling.
Okay.
You should have some details about that house. Because how is the person going to check that I'm buying the right house? It's going to go to that metadata. Number one. Number two is going to go to the inline data. All right, this one is slow. Let us move to the other sections that are very important. Let's go back to the property.
Okay.
Right here now. You can now go and sell. Now you have minted the tokens. Reload your page. I'll tell you what should happen there.
Yes, I've done so.
Right. What should happen here when you reload your page? The yellow button must disappear, because now you have minted the tokens for this property 57. Okay, that is one thing that I want you to check. If it is not doing that, that's a bug or it's a missing feature. I don't want somebody to sit here and keep on minting for one property you have minted.
On my side,
On your
it's not
side,
disappearing.
it is not disappearing.
It's
So
not.
I'll need to write that as a feature I must correct. Okay, next, let us go to the next part now. Click list properties.
List properties.
Yes. So you scroll down and look for your property, which is what? Number 57.
Yes,
You
number
found it?
56. Yes.
Yes. Now go down, look at the patterns that are there. They are now here because we have got some tokens to sell for this property. The tokens are loaded, you can see there are 50 there. And the token price for each is 100 ADA. Okay. But I can't buy now. Why? Because we have paid them, but we have not enabled their much. Are you aware of, do you understand what I mean? You can
Hello?
decide, right, let me sell all 50 at once, or I will sell 25, 25.
The vet is
That is
calling
what I want us to do. Change that 50 to 20. Oh, Shadow.
Hello, Rido or Sylvia, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear
All
you.
right. Change that 50 to 20.
Okay, update topic shares, right?
Change that 50, and then because we are selling them now. So what you, yeah, to 20. Out of 50, we are going to do the first sell, 20. Then you hit the yellow button that's down there. Yes.
Are you sure you want to sell the 20 tokens? Let me just say okay. Okay, pre-increase is set up done successfully. Next, we build and set and submit the transaction body of token. Okay. Sorry, sell transaction failed. Non-positive token amounts detected.
So, all right. I told you the cause of that. What could be causing that is you are trying to move to sell 20 tokens. On your wallet, check that you have got enough transaction fees. And then click that make button so that we see you have those tokens to sell. The tokens are there. And you want to sell 20. Okay, that's fine. They're on pre-production, that's why we can see them. This fine is fine on the wallet. So the other issue, how much only have they on the test data? Yes, you've got enough test data. Okay. Post your error here. That let's see. Non-positive amounts detected. Try this. Click OK there. Okay. The non-positive amounts detected could be caused by the fact that number one, you are trying to sell the quantity that you don't have. In this case, you are selling 20, and you have that in your wallet. So that one is out. Second cause could be sometimes the transaction fee, the amount is, but it will give you a different message. This is what I want to see here. Right click so that we see which part of the code it's originating from. All right, let's run it again.
Okay, we will do it again. Um,
Yes, just run it again.
okay,
Says here. Here it says what? Non-positive can amount. Click OK. I think you not very sure. All right. I don't see the error down here. Non-positive amount. Scroll down, 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 down.
yeah, yeah,
Sell assets. All right. That error is coming from on-chain. It has checked, balanced your transactions. Says non-positive amounts. What is strange here is I do not see stake trace. From my side, I see stake trace. Because you are trying to sell. Did you change the account? You didn't change the account.
no, I didn't change the account.
Reload and try again. Reload the page.
Okay.
You should have left that open. Okay, reload the page. Open that inspector and then run it one more time.
Okay.
Open your console there.
Let me try again.
All right, can you wait there? I want to check something here. There's something I want to check here. Sorry for that. It's my cat. What I want to check is if there is a try catch on that cell. Let me check the cell assets. But that happened after stage 3 out of 3. All
Yeah.
right. Yes, I see this. I corrected this. I'm surprised it's back again. So I'm going to take out the try catch. Because the try catch hides the actual stake traces. Okay, reload and do it again. Reload your page. and then go through the process again, sell.
Okay. So you want to sell the tokens?
Yeah.
Okay. So successful for setting up prerequisites. Okay. Again.
Sorry, there is an alert. Click OK. I have removed your page cached. Yes, running the old cache. Let me show you what you can do. Go to your network, click network there. Select disable cache. Do you see that which says disable cache?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Reload the page so that we flush out the cached page because we are running a cached page.
Okay. I must go through the process again, right?
Right. Before you go to the process again, I just want to be sure that that cached page is gone. So what I will do, I'm just going to disable this cell. Yeah. Right. Reload the page and run, and then click that cell. What should happen now? Nothing must happen now. Click OK. Yes. Mustn't move to step 2 or 3. Okay. Then I'm going to enable it now. So you're going to run the updated page, JavaScript. So now what you can do, reload and then try again. What we want to see is the function called stack trace so that we see where that is originating from. Okay, that's fine. Because the error happens when you click 2 out of 3 here. Right. That's what I wanted to can you go to console? Go to console. Right. Under console, they click. You see where it says paused in debugger? There is a blue arrow there. Click that blue arrow to proceed.
Here. Wait.
On your left. The
Oh.
debugger. Yeah, click that. Yeah. This is what I want to see. Yes. We see property 4.3 forbidden. So what I see here, you have got some restrictions. I'm not sure why that property forbidden is not running. That is the first thing. I see this thing is loading for 403 many times. Do you have a loop? Why is it logging many times? Why is it reloading on itself?
I'm not sure exactly why.
All right, can you do this? Go to the top, because it's forbidden. You see that property page?
Yes, yes, it's
Yeah,
written
it's
for people.
forbidden. You see, another surprising thing for me is you are on admin property. That is very strange for me. Let me check this side one more thing here. When I log in and I go for my property, I'm supposed to be on feature, not on admin property. Because you can see here this 403 forbidden. There is a / admin property. I'm not sure where that is coming from. Go to the top. Right at the top. Yeah, here. Forbidden. To solve this, who else has tested this and they found this problem? Property details forbidden. Why is it forbidden on your browser? You are using what could be happening here? Your Chrome that you are using maybe is not allowing pop-up tabs. Because the other thing I see here, do you see the image you put there?
Yes.
Look what it is doing. What is happening?
Sounds like it's an animation. I don't know, like
It's
it
an
puts.
animated image you selected.
No, this is like a normal JPEG or JPG, whatever it is. I don't know. I'm guessing it's from how you called it, the front end. So.
All right, I'm going to do the same thing from my side. Stop sharing, I'll share. I've
Okay.
never seen that. I've never
On my
seen that.
side, is successful.
Can you show yours, Rido? Yeah, because there's a problem with your browser, Delon. Tandy tested, didn't face that problem. I tested, didn't face. Now, Rido, share your screen.
Yes.
Okay. Right.
Yeah, can you see my screen?
I can see your screen.
Yeah, so on my side, I'm left with, let me check, with 20
20.
tokens.
Right, add
Yes.
5 more, or add 5 more, or 10 more.
So, and then, okay.
Yes. Oh, wait. Cancel there. Cancel there. Go click that red one asset. You are losing one asset when it's red. You see, this is correct. You are sending 5 of these to the smart contract. Okay, go back.
Mm.
Right, sign it. Okay. paid for success. What should happen now? On your NAMI, you must lose 5. You must be left with.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then here, you must have total shares on sale must be 15. So this is correct. This side, it must say total sales 15. Reload this page. See there, we say total tokens on sale must say, yeah. But it says 35. Is it correct?
Where?
Can you
Oh,
move down?
yeah, left is 15. On sales, 35. There were
Correct.
50.
That's correct. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And
So
then
right.
gold.
Wait the return. Now they are which property is that? I want to see the property number. So that's property number 47,
47.
which is Rito's property, right? Rito, can you stop sharing? Just leave your computer where it is. Stop sharing. I'm going to share. Open up. Let's go to this property. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Now, I am somebody in Germany. I want to own shares in the property that has been uploaded, listed by Rido. That is 47. So all what I need to do, I've got these other different shares that I have. Let me switch to another account. 3. Let's go to 3. Right, under 3, I don't have. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm not going to log in, but I'm going to buy the shares. So I go to listing here, then I search. Please, can you write somewhere? I must add here a filter so that I filter for the house by price, by location, because we are going to have lots of these houses here. So currently now we know it's 47, which is this one here. You can see it's this one here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to buy out of 35 that are on sale. I'm going to buy 18. So let's go through it and see what happens. Are you sure you want to buy 18 property tokens? Okay. See, processing by property token begins. So be patient, things might fail. First, we set up prerequisites for the transaction. Prerequisites have been successfully set. Now, building and submitting the body transaction to Cardano. What should happen? I should have 18 tokens and I must pay. Rido must check that is receiving 18 times the price. What is the price for what? Price got 1,000, so 18 times that. That is going to be too much amount. I don't think I have that, but let's check. Right. I think it crashed because of that. Let me show you the error. Okay, look at the error. A non-positive token amount detected. If you multiply what Rido wants, which is 1,000 times 18, I think the number is going to exceed 1,000. Right, let me try to buy one. I can buy 1,000, one of that token using 1,000. Do you see? Did you see how that problem I solved it?
Yeah.
But it is now running because I'm buying one. But there is a problem. I am paying 4. But there on your price there, if you look at on your price there, you've got 1,000 per share. So please, that is a bug that I want to fix. I am paying 4 ADA. It means maybe the price of your token is not 1,000. It means maybe the price is 3 ADA. We can check this by going to on-chain. Here we won't see the price. Let me sign. All right. Transaction submitted to Cardano blockchain 3/3 is correct now. Now what we need to check is the price per token so that we know that advertised price there is the wrong price or is the correct price. So where can we see that information? You can see this information by checking this object data here, because this data has got information about the price. So let's check what price do we have. Yeah, look here. The NFT price, Loveless, is 3. That is why I paid 3. That one that is advertised there needs to be 3, not 1,000. So that is write it somewhere, guys, and you will give me as a list to say correct the price per token there. What is displayed there is not correct. Another way, you can go to the metadata and check that on chain. If I come here, I check here, I'll see that when I go to this site, onto the metadata, it will show me that I lost 3 ADA. And I will go to the datum. Now, we can check our datum here. Let me say find datum. Datum seller. Right, the datum here. Inline datum here. Because under inline datum, the price of the property is there. Where is it under? Under list. There it is. Do you see it is number 4? It is 3. There it is. It is inline datum. Yes, the price is 3. Or is 4. Sorry. The price is 4. This is 1, 2, 3. Under the datum, the price is 4 ADA. On my side, I think I paid, I don't know, 4 or 3. Now I'm going to stop sharing. Rido, I want you to come again.
I was saying on my side I received 3 ADA.
Yes, share and show us that.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, the screen is coming.
Yeah.
Right, Manasseh, I'll call you now. I'll call you now. Yes. All right, good. Do you see this is a decentralized form of selling tokens? Now, let's say you can see 1 million people all on this platform buying tokens of properties that are listed here. Now, here is the question. Let's say, how do we know a property is not sold more than once? It can be sold on this property. You're buying shares for a property that is also listed on another platform in another place. So it can lead into overselling a house. Each property that is listed here is tied down to the National Property Registry, which is the one that gives you the property ID. Every property in a country has a unique stand number. It is called ERF number here because I'm working with property. So that ERF number is unique. Whenever you go to the conveyances, the lawyers, to sell the property, they will first go to the deeds office. They call it the deeds office this side, which is the National Property Registry office. And then they are going to first clear it. So that office clears this. So the smart contract has got an NFT of the deeds office, which is the one that issues the ID, property ID, which is the ERF number. Everyone who owns property, when you open your, what do you call it, that property document, it has got that unique number. So that unique number is the one that is on the National Register. So the moment another platform, you go to this other platform, you try to list that property, then under the hood behind, there is going to be that verification of that property ERF number at the registry office. The only way they do at the office there, they will be having the same smart contract that verifies that that property is not listed on any other tokenization platform. So that is how I solved that problem. But there are different ways we can approach this. So what about if I run 4 or 5 different marketplaces for selling? Each marketplace like this one here, Cardano Property Solution, has a thread token. That thread NFT is the one that makes it possible. You see, I bought your token from my side. I never bought a wrong token. I bought exactly those tokens. You can see now we are -1. The other one is owned by me. When all of them are finished, no more on the blockchain, they are finished. It is because the marketplace is identified by an NFT called a thread token. All right, here is another information that is important. I have got 3 different properties I have bought now. How do I know that these tokens, when I sell them, they belong to this property or they belong to another platform? So we can have 1 million different property selling marketplaces. So, and on the same marketplace, you can have 10,000 millions of different tokens being traded. So what happens now is each minted, when you mint your tokens, we have what we call user token reference ID or reference token. It's another type of an NFT. So the NFT for that is tied to these tokens. On this same platform, I can go as an administrator and mint another reference token based on the new registry NFT ID given, and then also based on the new thread token. So which means I'm going to be having 2 marketplace sell smart contracts running concurrently. It can be on the same computer, but it eliminates clashes of tokens. Okay, There are some more security issues we can implement, but this for a demo, this is what I can give to you. So the other things that I want you to do on your own, I'm going to stop recording this one. Cancel yourself. What should happen when you cancel yourself? You should retrieve all the remaining 14 tokens back to your wallet when you cancel that. Yeah, cancel that, click OK, then click OK. The reason why I put alert blocks and allows, what do you call it? Yeah, do you see now? You are gaining 4. Why is it 4? So it means the last one left is 4. That's interesting. I need to check that. And then plus some test 8 are there that is on that UTXO. It says 4. Was it supposed to be 4? Can you close here? Close here. I want to check one thing. Cancel this transaction. Here it says tokens that are left are 14. Can you try to buy the 14 to yourself? Remember, you can also buy. Instead of 150 there, go down, put 14. Buy them. Yeah. Let's see if it's going to run. Okay, it failed, which means I'm not sure how many you initially minted, but according to this, put 4 there. Just put 4. To me, it looks like there are only 4 left from what I see. Yeah, so you can see, click that green. Okay, sign. Click that asset, one asset. It will say 4. That one asset, yeah. So you'll get back your 4 assets. So which means on your property, that one, only 4 are left. Okay, cancel here. Don't get those 4 left. Add some more. Where it says 50 there, add another 10. Where you can add 60, add any other amount. You click that yellow cell. So you are replenishing. All right, it failed. It means the total tokens you minted from your wallet. You can check your NAMI wallet.
They were initially 50.
So you can't add another 50 when you. So there are only 15 left. Try to sell this 15 there. That some of these errors are caused by pressing the wrong feature. Right, you see that? Click there. You're losing those 15. Sign this one. So what should happen now? We must have additional 15. So we need to correct the display there when you reload the page like that. Reload the page. We want to see. Yeah, we have 51 now. Do you see that? You have 51 on set. Now cancel. I want to see how many are you going to get back when you cancel. When you cancel, it will push back what is on the smart contract back to your wallet. You, the seller. So it's 15.
That's 15.
Was it 4? Was it not supposed to 15 plus 4? 19. I'm not sure. These numbers are not adding up correctly. Okay, sign that. All right, successful. So what it means is you have cancelled the sale. Right now, reload and try to buy. It should fail because there should be nothing. Let's see what error you get. Try to buy one. The way it says buy. This test, right? Check the console there. Oh yeah, click OK. Right, check the console. The console must have an error. Inspect. Select inspect. Oh, there it comes. So it's working. I thought maybe the delay was caused by an error. It's working. Yeah, it is working because you saw that finalized box showing up. I think there are some delays somewhere. Do you see there? You are receiving one share token 150. This. Click cancel. So, all right, wait here. Here you are going to receive 9,000, almost 10,000 test data, and you are going to receive 2 items. Which button did you click?
I clicked buy.
You clicked buy. But now it's going to fail. This one must fail because remember what did we do to your tokens? We cancelled the wholesale. Signed it. I think it should fail because you don't have any more tokens to sell. Right, check your console. Where is your console? Right, yes. Do you see that message there? Says wallet could not send the transaction. I want you to copy that. You will submit it to me as a bug. But this type of a bug is caused by the fact that you are trying to buy a token that does not exist. You need to go and sell again, put your tokens on market so that people can buy. So, but users won't know if this happens. So we want when this bug comes out to give a correct message to say there are no tokens to buy. That is why you are getting this. Okay, let's discuss a little bit. Any questions? Any comments? Xavier, Delon, over to you. Right, Rito, on your side, any comment, any question? All right. It looks like there are no questions, no comments. You can go ahead now and do your documentation, your testing, and then make sure that you submit today whatever you find. Okay? So I'm going to stop recording on this side. Just a recap. So what we have seen now is the decentralized Cardano property tokenization is working. We can list property, we can authenticate, register, list property, and then we can mint tokens or shares for each property. Then we can sell them, send them to the marketplace. Different people without doing KYC, just using their wallet, are able to buy these shares. The type of marketplace this one is decentralized in the sense that you are not sending the money to the smart contract and getting the tokens. You are directly, the smart contract directly sends the money to the owner. This is more safe because when you go to the smart contract, because it's public, anyone, the hackers, they can see how much money is now on that smart contract. If it's a lot of money, then they can go and do social engineering and then obtain the actual what? The actual maybe security keys to the smart contract. And then they will be able then to move those funds that are locked on that smart contract. So that is why I say this one is more secure, because the person who is selling shares immediately receives the share, and the person who is buying the tokens immediately receives the token. Now, the same person who has bought, for example, I have bought 20 of these tokens. I can go to the same platform and list the platform, that house. So that house, I can list it. When I list that house, the way you have it there, I move in, sell the tokens that I bought. If I try to list that property and mint new tokens, then it would be a separate house. So when people buy the tokens, they will see the tokens property ID is going to be different. That is what I want to share to tell you. But if I list that house, use the same picture, use the same details, I take the tokens that I have, then I sell them, send them to the market, sell them. I want you to test that part so that I see where it's breaking. People must be able to buy, sell, resell different tokens at a different price without changing the marketplace or without duplicating the house ID. So those are the other features that you can test again. Let me repeat again. I bought tokens, I have them, but tomorrow I realize I need cash. So I must be able to come back to this market and resell my tokens. But how do I do that? Just come back here and I create a listing. The listing must probably have the same image, resell my token. Or I must add a separate page where we have got token resell. Then I simply list I've got this property PID 47. I've got 14 shares for this one, and then I'm now selling it either cheaper because I need cash quickly, or I sell it at a higher price because the property valuation has gone up. Then people can trade those tokens that are linked to a house. But how do I know the tokens that are listed there, they are so that they are not fake? There are going to be two links. The first link is to the blockchain, where you are going to see the property ID and the minting policy of that token. It corresponds. There will also be a second link where when you click this, it takes you straight to the actual property where the first owner listed it. There is a transaction ID there. When you click that transaction, you'll see the minting policy of the tokens that were sold, that you received. So they will always point down to the same property, same shares. So now what is going to be different now? The different prices, different people. Remember, early buyers always buy at a discount, get it at a discount. Then later they can resell at a different price. So what does this allow? It allows liquidity to the property market. People who cannot afford buying a full house can buy it in pieces, in fractions. And the second thing, they can resell. Then it allows now property to be traded on different prices, same tokens, like you normally trade your NFTs. But the NFTs people buy and sell sometimes are based on things that don't exist. But the NFTs or these tokens that we are buying and trading here, they are based on real property, which you can inspect. That is verified by the token property registry. So that is what I can say to you. All right, thank you very much. Let me stop recording.